The third-generation Toyota Tundra is one seriously capable towing machine. And to make the most of Tundra's towing experience, you'll need to put your trailer in the garage. Not literally, but into the truck's new trailer garage system. Built right into Tundra's multi-information display, or MID, this system allows you to register and save multiple trailers so that the right settings can easily be loaded whenever they're attached. That's because a travel trailer RV and a flatbed ATV cart have entirely different requirements. But once you register them in your virtual garage, Tundra will know what to do with both just fine, even adjusting certain safety features like blind spot monitor so they properly account for the added length. First, attach the trailer as normal. The MID should show a message indicating that the trailer has been detected, and ask if you'd like to add or select a trailer, or simply proceed with towing manually if you don't wish to use these features. But of course, we do. So, using the steering wheel switchgear, choose Add Selected Trailer, and then Add a New Trailer. Now choose a name for this trailer, like Boat, Flatbed, or simply My Trailer. Then choose the type of hitch, most likely a ball. Then the length. Feel free to use Auto Detect if you aren't sure. Whether it's single axle or multiple. And the type of brake system it uses, if equipped. This last question is important for the trailer brake controller to work properly. Now just select Save, and the system will ask if you'd like to use this trailer right now. Let's select Yes. And that's all there is to saving your trailer to your truck. You can access these screens again at any time by tabbing over to the Settings menu and then choosing Trailer Settings. Here you can select or add another trailer, or deselect, edit, and delete an existing trailer. So that's a closer look at the new trailer garage system found on the third-generation Toyota Tundra. For more information on Tundra, be sure to check out the other videos on Toyota's YouTube channel or visit toyota.com/tundra. Until next time, happy towing!